Asylum status is a form of humanitarian protection offered by the United States. Eligibility of asylum application. Every year, thousands of people come to the United States from different regions of the world seeking protection from persecution. According to the US law, one can apply for asylum if they have suffered persecution or fear that they will suffer persecution due to race, religion, nationality, membership in a particular social group, political opinion. Procedure of asylum application. You can file an asylum application if you are physically present in the United States and you are not a US citizen. There are two types of asylum application: affirmative and defensive. A non-citizen who is not currently in removal proceedings may apply for affirmative asylum through the USCIS. On the other hand, a person who is in removal proceedings may apply for asylum defensively by filing the application with an immigration court. From November 2022, affirmative applicants can file their asylum applications online. Asylum applicants can legally work in the U.S. while their application for asylum is still pending. Asylum applicants now can apply for employment authorization document online. Wherever the asylum seeker stays in the USA, Raju provides fast and accurate services with proper care. Raju Law, one of the top immigration law firms in the USA, is your trustful address for any assistance and advice regarding immigration to America. To know more, dial the number shown on your screen.